I'm Holly Resnick, and welcome to DT Daily. Coming up, Google gets into magic, a router that protects your privacy, and Dropbox says their service is secure after a password leak is reported. The battle over virtual reality supremacy is heating up as news comes that Google may be in on a big funding round for Magic Leap, a VR content and hardware creator that's focused on something called cinematic reality. What's that exactly? Basically, the blending of real and virtual objects in a way, like this, that is so lifelike it's tough to determine what's real and what isn't, unless tiny flying elephants are involved. It's a logical step forward from the current state of virtual reality, which is still fairly stuck in the very much less than real CGI and gaming space. Magic Leap hasn't shown any hardware or demos as of yet, but CEO Rony Abovitz sold his robotic surgical device business for $1.6 billion, so we're paying attention to what they come up with. Everyone seems to be searching for an easy way to keep their data, messages, and networks safe from prying eyes, and a new device may be just the ticket the average tech user needs. Called the Box, the encryption device keeps it simple. Just install it into your home network and, well, that's it. There's no software, signups, service fees, configurations to set up, or any other hassles. It's basically plug and play encryption by using an automated gateway to the anonymous TOR network. The developers said that they were inspired by the Arab Spring uprisings, where governments worked hard to lock down Twitter and other social platforms. But many users were able to get information out through TOR, which takes some setup to use. The Box developers say they are hoping to make safe TOR usage as simple as plugging in 2 cables to their $50 invention. Speaking of privacy, popular online cloud storage service Dropbox is under the microscope after someone claimed they have over 7 million passwords to Dropbox accounts. Dropbox immediately fired back, saying the information was not taken from their system, but from third-party apps that interact with Dropbox. They also said that the majority of the stolen passwords were expired, but they have contacted anyone with an affected account. But it didn't help that data leaker Edward Snowden warned to stop using Dropbox, Facebook, and Google due to a lack of, quote, local encryption. So just to be safe, you might want to change up those passwords again and also activate two-step authentication. And maybe keep the naughty selfies in your camera for now. And that's DT Daily for today, and we'll see you again tomorrow.